Hodgkin's lymphoma. The Hodgkin's lymphoma means the involvement of this involves the lymph nodes with the involve the extranodal sites secondarily. The Hodgkin's lymphoma is comprises of the 30 of the all the lymphoid neoplasm, in which it is ranges about between the 15 to 35 years, and the classification of this Hodgkin's lymphoma is on the base of the classical diagnostic features is based on the red Steinberg cells, but the classification is on this race classification adopted since 1966. The race classification divides the Hodgkin's lymphoma into the four types, which are the first types: the lymphocyte predominance type, nodular sclerosis type, mixed cellularity type, lymphocyte depletion type, in which this classification is in the 1960s. After that, the WHO 2016 revision of the WHO classification of the lymphoid neoplasm of the non-Hodgkin's lymphoma has added many newer entities over the years. So after that, the addition of the nodular lymphocyte predominance Hodgkin's lymphoma, which is 5%, and the classical Hodgkin's lymphoma, which is the 95%. In this classical Hodgkin's lymphoma contains all the four types: lymphocyte predominance type, nodular sclerosis type, mixed cellularity type, and the lymphocyte depletion types. According to this classification, the histological subtype of the classical Hodgkin's lymphoma and the nodular lymphocyte predominance of Hodgkin's lymphoma. The classical Hodgkin's lymphoma contain the lymphocyte-rich nodular sclerosis, mixed cellularity, and the lymphocyte depleted, in which the nodular sclerosis is most prominent, which is the 70%. After that, the mixed cellularity. The cellularity contains the mixed type of the cellulars like neutrophils, eosinophils, plasma cells, lymphocytes. It contains the mixed cellularity. The main pathology of this classical Hodgkin's lymphoma is the lymphocyte rich. In this name, it is contain the lymphocyte rich, which is it contain the more the lymphocytes and the fewer histiocytes. So the proliferation of lymphocytes occurs in this more in the lymphocyte predominance or the rich type. After that, the nodular sclerosis contain lymphoid nodules and the collagen bands contained in this nodular sclerosis. After that, the mixed cellulitis, it is contain the mixed infiltrates such as the neutrophils, eosinophils, plasma cells. So much cells are contained in the mixed cellulitis. After that, the lymphocyte depletions contain the scanty lymphocyte. There is a low number of the lymphocytes, atypical histiocytes, and the fibrocysts contain. All these show the CD, the red Steinberg cell test show all this CD15 and the CD30, which is contained on the cell membrane, is positive test, except the lymphocyte rich, which show the negative test, and the CD20 positive stage, and the prognosis, which has the prognosis the excellent. The lymphocyte rich has the prognosis excellent. After that, the very good for the nodular sclerosis. Mixed cellularity is the good prognosis, and the poor prognosis of the lymphocyte depleted. And in the nodular lymphocyte predominant Hodgkin's lymphoma, in which the proliferation of the small lymphocyte and the nodular patterns of the growth, in this the CD45 positive and epithelial membrane antigen is a positive, but it also show the negative test for the CD15 and CD30, which other the CD15 and the CD19 negative is in the lymphocyte rich. After that, the histological, there is a red Steinberg cells in the four types: the classical red Steinberg cells, lacunar types red Steinberg RS cells, polyploid types, and the pleomorphic RS cells. This classical RS cells is a look like this. This is the large cell, which is a characteristic bilobe nucleus. It contains the two bilobe nucleus appearance in the mirror image exactly of the two each other. So the each other occasionally nucleus may be the multilobe. Here it is contain the multilobe nucleus. Each lobe has the nucleus contain predominant and the eosinophilic appearance, and it show the owl-like appearance. In this, it has the owl eyes-like appearance in the classical RS cell type, which is seen in the mixed cellularity type. After that, the lacunar type RS cells, which is in the seen in the nodular sclerosis. It has a lacuna, which is a artifactual shrinkage of the cell cytoplasm. It is characteristically found in the nodular sclerosis, Hodgkin's lymphoma. After that, the polyploidy type, which is look like a popcorn. It is seen in the lymphocyte predominant classical Hodgkin's lymphoma. After that, the pleomorphic RS, which has the feature of lymphocyte depletion, classical Hodgkin's lymphoma. There are the pleomorphic and atypical nuclei. In the histology, here this one is a look like a popcorn cells. This is a polyploid RS cells, which is seen in the lymphocyte predominance type. The lymphocytes are the predominant in this histology. There is a shown the more the lymphocytes are seen, or this here, and the polyploidy RS cells, which is look like a popcorn. After that, the nodular sclerosis type. The nodular sclerosis type, it has the lacunar cells, which is located in the bands of the collagens of the lymph nodes, and the lymphocytes are present here, and the collagens of the bands, and the macrophages, some macrophages are present in here. This is a nodular sclerosis type, which is a more incidence it occurs, which is a nodular sclerosis type, where this is the lacunar RS cells present, and the which is a good prognosis, the lymphocyte predominance type, which has a good prognosis. After that, the mixed cellularity type. In this, the RS cell show the classical RS. It is a look like a owl eyes shape, where it is a present. It has a mixed cellularity like eosinophil, neutrophils, which contains the multilobe cells, plasma cells, and histocytes, and the lymphocytes present. This also can differentiate mixed cellularity type, which contain the classical RS cells. After the last one is a lymphocyte depleted, where the low lymphocytes can be differentiated another. Here all has contained so much lymphocytes, but it has contained the very low content of the lymphocyte. So this is the depleted lymphoid cells in the Hodgkin cells. It is the pleomorphic RS cells, which is contain the separates in the lobes. So this is the lymphocyte depleted type.